Cardano now has stablecoins, and a lot more stablecoins are coming. But in today's video, we're going to be covering how to mint and buy Cardano's latest stablecoin, iUSD. We're going to jump right into it. First things first, you're going to need to go to app.indigoprotocol.io. Make sure on this specific web domain, and it'll be linked down in the description. And then from here, you can either mint or be redirected to buy the stablecoin that is native on Cardano, iUSD, to fulfill all your stablecoin needs. Now, first things first, you're going to need to connect your wallet. If you don't have a wallet already, make sure you go ahead and create one, fund it, and connect it to the dApp, or enable collateral rather first. If you don't know how to do any of those things, there'll be a full getting started playlist in the description that you can follow along with. Now, once you've done those things, connect your wallet on the top right, click the wallet you have, make sure you click this button, accept it, read this. If you're curious, you're probably going to want to be using a clean wallet or wallet with little NFTs or transactions previously in it, just for the best performance of the dApp. Then you can dismiss this and you'll be ready to buy or mint some stablecoins on Cardano. We're going to start off by going to open position rather than buying. We're going to be minting some iUSD here on Cardano. As you can see, we have to supply at least a minimum of 10 ADA as collateral. So basically, if you want to mint iUSD, you're going to pay a 10% premium based on your collateral for the minimum amount. In this case, we're going to do a 160% collateralized ratio so we don't get liquidated too easily, and we can close the position after the tutorial video, and we're going to mint 1.91 iUSD. We're going to open position, and just like that, so long as you have collateral enabled, the transaction will build and you'll be able to sign it, and you'll be on your way to owning some stablecoins on Cardano. Here we go. Sign this. As you can see here though, we're going to get one asset, 1.9 iUSD. It's a simple transaction. Sign it. It's going to take a minute to confirm, and then we'll be back here in a sec. Okay, we now have iUSD in our wallet. You can see our collateralized ratio is 160%. Our collateral is here. Simply open our wallet. You can see we have iUSD. I already had about 58 iUSD in here, so it's now at 60, but you can see that we have some iUSD in our wallet, and we have now minted it. If we want to get our ADA back, this 10 ADA we paid, because it wouldn't actually be 10 ADA to buy 2 iUSD, we could then just go ahead, burn, and then basically put this much iUSD here and close the position and get our ADA back. But right now, we're not going to do that. What we're going to do is we're going to go buy some iUSD instead of minting it. To do that, simply click back to dashboard, and then you're going to do buy iAsset. Now there's a couple of swaps you can go to: Sunday Swap, Min Swap, Wing Riders, or Muesli Swap. We're going to go to Min Swap, and then we're also going to go back here and open up the other ones just so we can check the price and see which one gives us the best price for iUSD. Okay, so we're going to go here. We have the 3 main ones open. You're going to see one iUSD here is 3.3 ADA. You're going to see one iUSD over here is 3.4 ADA. So far Sunday Swap is winning, and one iUSD on Min Swap currently is 3.49 ADA. So the winner is Sunday Swap. This is what we're going to use. We're going to connect our wallet. We're going to buy it over here. Connect wallet, select your wallet, press that button, access, and you can see here we want 1 iUSD. Let's just go for 2 iUSD. You can see there is a slight slippage price impact. So although the price right now for 1 iUSD is less on this DEX, there may be more liquidity on the other ones, and the price slippage impact may be a lot less, as you can see here, which it is. So definitely defer how much you're going to be buying, not just base it off 1 iUSD when you go ahead and buy it. But let's go ahead and let's just buy 1 on Sunday Swap, as it is the cheapest for 1 iUSD here. Sign the transaction, and then it will be submitted. Then once that order goes through, you've successfully bought iUSD on a DEX or an open market instead of minting it. That is another way you can go ahead and achieve some stablecoins on Cardano. Now, that's it for today's video. If you guys want to know more about Indigo Protocol, how to mint or burn, withdraw assets, add collateral, and the risk associated with iAssets and overall liquidity positions or collateralized debt positions, make sure you go ahead and check out my other video that I made yesterday, which is a full guide on the entire protocol. See you guys in tomorrow's video. Don't forget to stake with the Jack stake pool, turn passive ADA on your ADA, and I'll see you guys later.